Jamaica,
there is
watch
concern
this.
of a possible diplomatic fallout between Jamaica and the United States. This after a US Congressman condemned Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness' statement on Cuba, warning that the country will face consequences. Speaking on the opening day of the CARICOM Heads of Government meeting in St. Kitts and Nevis on Tuesday, Prime Minister Holness highlighted the economic hardship, energy shortages, and growing humanitarian challenges being experienced in Cuba. But in a quote post on X referencing Dr. Holness' comments, Congressman Carlos Jimenez accused the JLP government of covering up for the Cuban dictatorship. Jimenez sits on the House Committee on Armed Services and Homeland Security. Now, his post on X didn't specify what those consequences could be. Now, for context, this is what Prime Minister Holness said.
We must address the situation in Cuba with clarity and courage. Cuba is our Caribbean neighbor. Its doctors and teachers have served across our region. Its people are part of our shared history. But today, the Cuban people face severe economic hardship, energy shortages, and growing humanitarian strain. Jamaica is sensitive to the struggles of the Cuban people. Humanitarian suffering serves no one. Apart from our fraternal care and solidarity with the Cuban people, it must be clear that a prolonged crisis in Cuba will not remain confined to Cuba. It will affect migration, security, and economic stability across the Caribbean basin.